really like this Ooty trip because they planned it very well, and even though the tour was cancelled, they made an alternate plan and planned accordingly. So the food was really good and we got a really nice place to stay in for the trip.
We're very happy that we got this tour in our last year. We're in 12th standard actually, and I guess it's so memorable for us to actually get this tour.
So it was a nice experience here. So what we learn to socialize with new human beings. So when you are in school, they are your friends. So you will be in a particular manner of way and speaking to them in a particular manner of way. When you come outside, you know how to behave. You gain the utmost discipline over when you come to these kinds of places.
We started our tour from the Black Thunder, where we went to many dry games, and then we had some lunch break, and then we went to the wet games. There were many more options to play, and we stayed at the hotel, which was very comfortable and cozy, and then we went to the Doddabetta peak next morning, and we really created many more good memories over there.
I had lots of good opportunities to enjoy with our friends and connect with our teachers, and of course we enjoyed it a lot. And trips like these are the big opportunities which gives you a lot of happiness.
We came to the tea factory and the chocolate factory. We got in touch with a lot of information about the history of tea, which was very impeccable to be honest. And then we visited the chocolate factory, which was just basic things of how chocolate is made. We also got a lot of samples and we tasted it. It was very nice. We also went to shopping. People bought more skincare, food and tea, and we felt very safe during the trip because we have our management around, and it's good to feel that it's such a stress buster for us.
Had a lot of fun today. This was a great opportunity to spend our time with friends and enjoy a lot.
Here to thank the respected management members, our respected principal sir, and all our teachers and the student council members and the students who have cooperated throughout this tour and made it a successful tour.
Vidhya Sagar Global School, Chengalpattu. Happy days for your child.